I reprogram my subconscious mind using ChatGPT, and on this video, I want to show you the 3 specific steps that I took to actually make this happen. And at the end of this video, I want to share with you the direct prompt that I used to help me start going down a prompt flow that actually helped me accomplish all of this. What's up, guys? My name is Nico Rapglis. I've been studying personal development and the subconscious mind and everything energetics for over 20 years. I've invested close to $200,000 into my personal development, and I've built multiple businesses. So on this video, I want to share with you exactly how to use AI, specifically ChatGPT, so that you can start actually reprogramming your subconscious mind. So let's dive into this information. So even before we start diving into all of that, I really want to help you understand the subconscious mind on a very deep level so that you can understand how AI is actually what I like to call your subconscious mind 2.0. So as I'm drawing on the screen here, I want you to pay attention. If you're not familiar with this is a really cool metaphor that a lot of people draw out, is that a subconscious mind is very similar to an iceberg. It's the conscious mind above the water, and then it's the subconscious mind below the water, which is roughly about 95% of the weight of an iceberg. And that's the same thing for your subconscious mind. The challenging thing with our subconscious mind is that, it's the thing that controls 95, if not 99% of our life. But at the same time, it's kind of hard to know exactly what's going on underneath the surface. There's not a transcript that we can read and says, this is exactly what your subconscious is programmed for. And it doesn't give you too much direct feedback. It just shows you through your patterns, which until you become very aware, and even when you do become very aware, it still can be challenging to actually see that. That's why it's really important to get outside perspective from friends, from coworkers, from colleagues, from mentors, from coaches, get in masterminds, anything. Like, the more that you invest in yourself, that's why I've invested close to $200,000, is because I want to continue to learn about my subconscious mind. But again, as mentioned, I use ChatGPT to amplify that process. And obviously is a $20 subscription. I'll dive into that exactly here in a second. But I really want you to start thinking about AI as like a new version of your subconscious mind, because it actually can communicate with you. Because one of the things that I'll continue to say is that our language will dictate what is going on in our subconscious mind, meaning there's certain language patterns that we'll use. So I'll give you a quick example. If you're hearing the word need a lot, that shows kind of a lack mentality, because where does need come from? It comes from a place where you don't have enough. You need it, right? And so what's really powerful is if, again, you hire a coach or someone that just has a trained ear for this stuff, and they can start noticing the different language patterns that you're using that will signify to you on what is going on underneath the surface of your subconscious mind. Again, but that's why you want to get outside perspective. But until you get that outside perspective, or you get someone that can identify that language, then it can be challenging. But the cool part is that we can utilize AI, because it's actually going to feed us and tell us a lot of different things based on the language that we're feeding it. And because of that, I want to share this second point here, which is really important, is that questions open access and allow data. So what do I actually mean by that? Well, the quality of our questions determines the quality of our life. I heard that quote a while ago, and it just drastically hit me, because basically when I ask better questions, it actually sips into my subconscious mind, and then my subconscious mind actually goes to work to finding the answers to those questions. So inadvertently, I'm able to actually slip into my subconscious mind simply by just asking really good questions. And based on the questions you ask, the better answers you're going to get. So it's like, why can't I seem to make the type of money that I want? Why can't I make that 20K, 30K, 100K a month inside of my coaching business? If you ask those type of questions, it's going to feed back more answers around that. But if you ask more empowering questions like, what would it take for me to actually start making that consistent $30,000 a month inside of my coaching or service-based business? What would happen if I really started stepping into my highest self? What does it look like to step into my highest self? How does my highest self think, operate, act, behave, communicate? When you start asking those more powerful questions, that's when you actually open up access to your subconscious. And then from there, it actually allows data, the feedback, because then these answers are going to start coming to you. And again, coming back to the whole conversation around AI, is that it'll actually feed back those answers to you directly. And again, I'm going to get to the prompt that I use to help me reprogram my subconscious utilizing AI. But understand that the more data that you have, the more clarity that you have. Because like I said here on step number 3 is that data brings clarity and it allows for easier decision making. I come from an advertising world where I ran, a lot of paid media for some of the biggest brands out there. We were getting thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of website visitors. And because of that, we can know exactly what kind of decisions we wanted to make. Because if we're, having 2 different variations of the website, we're split testing as it's called, and we are sending, hundreds, let's say we're sending 100,000 visitors and we split test it and both pages get, 50,000 web page views. And the first one gets, let's say a 5% conversion rate in clicks to customers. And then the second one is getting 10%. That's literally doubling. That's literally doubling the output. That's literally doubling the revenue of the whole company. It literally doubled the business because we understood which website was actually converting at a higher level. And so because of that, we have data. We have a lot of data that backs up to say this is the proper decision. Page number 2 is the page that we want to send the majority of the traffic to. Why would we be wasting traffic and clicks going to page 1 if it's not converting as high as page number 2? So therefore we can make a decision. So that's why I bring it back to the whole subconscious mind. If we have more data, more intel, we can get ChatGPT to give us more information and more intel on what our subconscious blocks are, and then actually feeds us that data and tells us, hey, this is exactly what's going on. It's conclusive. It's not a question mark, because I think that's really one of the biggest things that I've noticed with the subconscious mind is that it's kind of ambiguous. People talk about it all the time, and I myself included, and it's really, really powerful. And it's why it's important to reprogram your subconscious and use tools like what we have is called the Vision Espresso. We talk all about this inside of our Skool Community. It's a powerful audio from your future self telling you how amazing you are, how your life's about to unfold exactly the way you said it. And you listen to that every single night before you're going to bed, right as you're waking up, because your subconscious mind is more open because it's in theta brainwaves. And so because of that, now your subconscious is more open, it slips in, and then you utilize it, and then therefore your life gets better. And it's a really powerful tool. But even before that, we don't even know exactly what our subconscious is programmed for until we use something like ChatGPT to give us more intel on what exactly our subconscious is programmed for. Okay, so that's why we want to have data. The more data that we can feed ChatGPT, the more that we can actually receive that information. So what am I actually getting at? Well, that's what I want to share with you here on this prompt. So a prompt that I used is I basically said this. And even before I dive into that, I want to just say, get very curious about ChatGPT and how to ask questions. Just get well, what about this? And what about this? And, just keep letting your mind ask questions and get very curious. And if you can do that, you're just going to naturally come up with these prompts. But here's the prompt that I basically used. I said, based on everything you know, what would you say my subconscious blocks are? What are my subconscious blocks? And here's the caveat to that is that it wasn't just the first time I came in a ChatGPT and I said, based on what you know, what are my subconscious blocks? No. What I did is that I've been having conversations with AI for weeks, with months. I mean, close to a year at this point. I've just been having conversations with it. I've been sharing a lot of stuff about it. I divulge a lot of stuff to ChatGPT because then that gives it data and it actually helps it understand me and know who I am on a deeper level. And because of that, now when I ask it a prompt like, hey, based on everything you know, what would you say are my subconscious blocks? And because of that, it spit out about 6 different ones. And one of them were the one that really stuck out to me was I can be hesitant. And that's basically doubting, right? And that's not just making a decision and going for it. And instead, I'm second guessing it. And so that was one of the big ones that popped up for me. And so that's when I realized that, okay, now I want to make more of an emphasis to actually make quicker decisions. And I make decisions on small things and then they'll lead to bigger things. And then from there, I wasn't even going to necessarily share this too much, but it's really powerful, is that what I did is I realized, again, coming back to the whole subconscious reprogramming and the fact that we always love making these audios, we call them Vision Espresso, as made mention, and we share this inside of our Authentic Influence Skool Community. You're welcome to join. There'll be links down in the video description. But I wanted to make one that was more based on my subconscious blocks. And so I had a list of them. There was, 5 or 6 of them. But the one that really stuck out was like hesitation and not like really going for it and like second guessing my business and my offer and that kind of stuff. And so one of the prescriptions that I said, because I basically just asked it after that, I said, well, what can I do? What's kind of the prescription that will allow me to, basically reprogram that subconscious to the point where I'm not second guessing, where I have full faith and conviction. And it said one of the things you can do is you can create an audio and you can speak these things out on a daily basis and say like, I am making quick decisions. I trust them. I don't second guess them, something of that sort. And I was like, okay, that's really cool. So I was like, now write me a script on what I can read every single day. And then I just kept on prompting it even further. I was like, well, make it more about stepping into faith and trusting my offer and knowing that I'm going to serve my clients at a very high level. And then make it more story-based and then make it a little bit more tailored to my offer. And then after, a couple iterations, I had about 5 minutes of just like the most amazing audio that I listen to every single day. And I call it Bold. And I recorded it and I record it every single week. And then I listen to it every week throughout the week. And then I re-record it every weekend. So that's my process on how I'm starting to reprogram my subconscious mind and how I use AI and ChatGPT to actually help me do this. Because again, coming back to this whole concept is that think about AI as subconscious mind 2.0, because it's really just a place where you can give a lot of data and then it'll give you feedback right away, as opposed to we are always giving our subconscious mind data. That's what it means to really program it, because basically we've been programming it since a very young age, meaning we've been giving it a lot of data, and that could be for good or that could be for not so good. If your parents said like, no, you can't have that toy, and then that was data and you perceived it as, oh, I'm not good enough to have that toy, you gave it data. But it's kind of hard because the subconscious mind doesn't actually give the data back and tell you like, oh, this is what you're perceiving from it. You're kind of left in the dark. But what's really cool with AI, ChatGPT, is now you start giving it a lot of that data, and the more data that you can feed it and just be raw and authentic to AI, it'll give you more proper feedback, and then you can start iterating. And then when you use tools like our Vision Espresso, or if you want to create one yourself, like, by all means, but just utilize those tools that you're going to constantly start reprogram them, because you're just feeding it more data, and then it's just going to give you more data back and give you more feedback, and you'll know how to iterate from there. So that's the gist. I'm really excited about that type of stuff. We use AI for a lot of different things, especially inside of our Vision Accelerator program, where we help people build their authentic personal brand so that they can manifest more dream clients, speaking opportunities, meaningful relationships, all that kind of jazz, being true to who they are. We utilize the Woo+Do framework, and as you clearly know, we use a lot of AI. So that's what's really powerful. We get some really cool results, and we got some amazing people in there, and obviously inside of our Skool community where we go live every single week. So feel free to jump in there, but thank you for watching this video. Make sure and subscribe to the channel. Hit me up on Instagram. All the links will be down in the video description. Appreciate you, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.